welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to set up an learning environment for Ansible. For that I have some tasks. We will be going to Google for play with Docker, as we are going to set up our learning environment with play with Docker online. Then we are going to log in using our GitHub and Docker credentials. So let's get started. Search for play with Docker. The very first link will appear here. Click on the link. As you can see, I'm getting the start button here. If you're not getting this start button and you're seeing this login button, then you need to have or you need to log in using your GitHub or Docker credentials, and you'll be redirected to this page. Then click on this start button. Okay, so our two steps are clear. Then we will have this 4-hour session for our this training environment, and for that we will launch two instances, one as a master and one as no worker node. So as you can see, we have 4 hours of session here. So let's go ahead and create our two instances, node 1 and node 2. So node 1 will act as a master node and node 2 will act as a worker node. So we are going to install Ansible on our node 1. So we are assuming that it's our master node, and all our Ansible commands will be executing here and will perform the task on node 2. Okay, so fourth and third is done. Then let's install Ansible on master node and set up our host inventory for two nodes, that is master and worker. So one thing to notice here, that play with Docker uses Alpine version of Linux. So to install the package on Alpine, we use apk command. So let's go ahead and first upgrade the packages. Okay, clear the screen. Then we will install Ansible using apk command. So using apk add Ansible. Okay, it will install all the dependencies required for Ansible to work, as you can see here. Great, Ansible is installed. Ansible, okay. Then let's set up our host inventory file as our task number 6 for worker and master node. So let's go ahead and create a host inventory file. We're going to alias our node 1 as local or master, and host, put in the node 1 IP, that is 0.28. And for all Ansible tasks we are going to use root user as SSH user. So that will be user equal to root, equal to root, and Ansible connection will be SSH. Go ahead and copy paste the same line for worker, and we are going to change an IP for worker as well. Okay, everything seems perfect. go ahead and quit exit, save and exit the file, get out the entries. Great. Now we have set up our host inventory file for master and worker node. Now let's try passwordless authentication using SSH from worker node, from master node to worker node. So for that, SSH using root user, and the IP will be 192.168.0.27, and we should be able to enter without using password. Okay, great. Now clear the screen. We are also going to SSH to master node, from master node, to check the connectivity, so we can perform the tasks from Ansible on the local server as well. So that is also happening. Great. So our 7th task is completed. Now let's try to ping both the systems using Ansible, using ping module. So for that, come on to the master node, as in node 1, and put in the command Ansible I hosts, then for all, and use the ping module, and we should be able to get the pong response back. And yes, indeed, we are getting the pong response for both master and worker, so we are good to go. Great. Now 2 tasks are remaining, that is to install a package using Ansible and uninstall the same using Ansible, and verify the same if we can install and uninstall the package. So let's go ahead and install the package using Ansible. I'm going to install a stop package, so let's check whether it is already installed on node 2, that is our worker node, and it is not there. So let's go ahead on master node and install a stop package. So for that, command will be Ansible inventory, host inventory file for our worker node, and I'm going to use package module with argument name equal to stop in double quotes, state equal to present. So this should install the stop package on worker node. So wait for that. Okay, it got changed, so the package is installed, as we have got the output of it. Now previously, as we saw, the command was not found here, so package was not there, and now it should be there. Okay, the package is installed successfully on the worker node. Go ahead and exit, come back on master node. So we have verified that the package has been installed successfully from master node using Ansible to worker node. So our ninth task has been completed successfully. Now we are going to uninstall the package using Ansible and re-verify it. So go back to our previous command and change present to absent. It will uninstall the package. Okay, great. It has been changed and given the message as remote desktop package. Let's go ahead on worker node and check if the package is successfully uninstalled. And yes, there is no such package installed on the worker node. So good to go. This is our as we have seen that we have set up our 2 instances for our learning environment with Ansible. for Ansible with play with Docker. So if you like this video, please like, hit like button, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon for latest upcoming videos. And if you have any suggestion or if you have any comment, please go ahead and write in the comment box. I'll be happy to have your reviews for this, as it's my first video, so your reviews will be very much helpful for me for making upcoming videos. And next video I'll be covering how we can set up Ansible learning environment on our local system using Docker. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.